Just a quick discussion on unemployment insurance and its impact on the unemployment rate. So when someone says they're collecting unemployment, what they're really meaning that they're collecting is unemployment insurance. And to collect, you have to be unemployed, which means you currently don't have a job and you're actively engaged in the job search within the last 4 weeks. So some issues with the unemployment insurance, mainly that it increases the frictional unemployment in the economy. So think about it, people are receiving income coming in from being unemployed and therefore have an incentive to stay unemployed for a longer period of time than what they would do if that policy wasn't there. And a lot of times what happens is people find their job that have been collecting unemployment when the unemployment is about to run out. And it goes to show you kind of how the actual effort for the job search changes and how the unemployment insurance causes people to have an incentive to keep looking for a longer period of time. So just think about it. If you had the scenario where, okay, you could collect unemployment insurance as long as you want, as long as it takes you to collect or to find a job, people would look for years and years and years. So obviously, it creates an unemployment or contributes to the unemployment in the economy and keeps the unemployment rate higher for a longer period of time. So that's really the negative of the unemployment insurance. It contributes to the frictional unemployment because it contributes to the length of the job search and how long people are actually looking for jobs. The benefits of unemployment insurance for the overall economy, it's like any kind of insurance policy. It's there to manage risk. So if you lose your job due to no fault of your own, you can still have an income coming in to help pay for your mortgage or car payment and so forth. Then another benefit for the overall economy is that it buys people time and it allows people to maybe find a job that better meets their skill set. So from like a productivity standpoint, for example, let's say you lost your job as an engineer. It's probably best for you to find another job as an engineer, and the unemployment insurance buys you time to actually find that next engineering job versus just taking something right away, maybe at like Geico or something that matches your skill set. So the idea here is that actual additional time is an investment in the economy to get someone whose skills really matched up with an employer that needs those skills. So think about it. Where's the engineer in my example going to add the most to the GDP? They're going to add the most to the GDP working in engineering, and the unemployment insurance buys them some time to find that type of job.